To make a video with a freeze frame in or freeze frame out effect using a smartphone, we can edit it from the CapCut video editing application. From the CapCut application, insert the video you want to edit into the project. And now the video clip has been successfully inserted. Because the end of the video is too long, I will cut it. The next step, select the part of the clip in the timeline. Then select Style on the menu. After that, swipe right. Then select one of the freeze frame effects. For the first one, I will try the freeze frame that comes out. Just wait until the process is 100% complete. This effect will work optimally if the subject and background in the video have good contrast and culling. If the error during processing reaches 99%, exit the CapCut application, then re-enter the project in CapCut. This is the result of the freeze frame set by default. If you want to adjust the number of frozen subjects, we can do that from the Adjust section. If there is a change in settings, CapCut will reprocess it. To try another freeze frame effect, the method is the same as before. That's how to create auto freeze frame in CapCut application. That's all for the tutorial. And thanks for watching.